Hello guys, thank you for joining our channel, The Motivational Tech Guy. Today we're going to be talking about how to create a fillable from Word to PDF. So before I get started, let's go on our quote for today. Alright, our quote for today is from Steve Harvey, which says, "Your dream has to be bigger than your fear." I know sometimes we are afraid in life to take risks. A lot of us are afraid because we don't know what happens if we do certain things. But you should not be afraid to dream big. Sometimes all you have to do is just try. So when you try certain things and it doesn't work, just keep on trying. And receiving a no from someone because you dream big doesn't mean that you fail. It just means that this one was not the one that was supposed to work. And all you have to do is just move on to the next one. And one thing I have to tell you guys, when you have a dream, don't go around and share it with everybody. Because some people don't understand your dream. Some people don't know what you feel and what you want to do. So work on your dream. Dream big. Because when you have big dream, no matter what obstacle you may face, you're not gonna be afraid because you're gonna be too focused on your dream and not worry about the fear of failing. So dream big, work on what you wanna do, take risks in life, and keep on moving. As you can see on my screen, I have a simple form that I created from Word. It's a simple intake form to capture information from clients, first name, last name, their spouse information, and at the bottom we have the services. Here you can have your services, or you can have different things like membership type or whatever you want the client to check on. But here, if you send this form to a client or to a customer, of course they will be able to input the information and stuff like that. But if you want them to check one of those services, they will not be able to do it because, hey, this is a simple Word document. But we're gonna find a way to make this form not only fillable here, but also client will be able to select those boxes. So let's get into it. And at the end of the video, I'm gonna show you exactly the main reason why you wanna use PDF instead of just Word. So to create a fillable form from PDF, all you have to do is go to File, click Save As, and here you're gonna save your Word form into PDF right here. But if you have Microsoft Office from Windows, all you have to do is go to File, Export, and export as PDF. Since I have Mac, I just go to File, File Format, and PDF. And once you select PDF, you select Export, it's going to create your PDF document. But let me tell you guys that for you to be able to continue the next step, you need to have Acrobat Pro DC, because the tools that you're gonna need is only in Acrobat Pro DC. If you have only the Adobe Reader, you will not be able to do it. So this is our PDF form right here. It's clean and simple, which is a good thing I like about PDF. They're always clean. So for you to be able to do that, you need Acrobat Pro DC, because they are the only one who have the tools that you need. And it's a good thing to have because here you can create PDF, you can combine them, you can organize the pages, edit them, and different things that you can create with that. So you can go to Adobe website and check their plan. Alright, so as I mentioned, you have all those tools, but what we need to use today, we're gonna use Prepare Form. Once you click Prepare Form and then you click Start, Adobe automatically selected the field on your form. As you can see here, we saw that this one is a field, so let's select it. And you select all the different fields that you have on your form. Not only that, all the boxes that you have on your form here, you select them also because it's thinking, okay, this is something you might want to check. So you select them too. As you can see, your form is ready to be used, and if I do a preview, it looks the same way, except now you can put information into it. You can type whatever into it. And the good thing about this is that compared to before, you will not be able to check those boxes in Word, but now you can check the boxes and put all the information that you want. But before we continue, guys, there's an important thing that we need to know. As you can see here, Acrobat put the name of the field based on the label that's before it, which is a good thing because it captures those information. You don't have to say, okay, this is the first name, this is the last name. But one thing you have to do is, as you can see for the spouse, it just says first name 2. But what if you have another person just gonna say first name 3? What I would recommend you to do is to rename this. Instead of just first name 2, let's say spouse first name, just to be clear on what type of information that you are capturing. So I like to do that because it's easy to do, and as I mentioned, we're gonna find out the main reason on why you need to use PDF. Okay, so I'm just putting spouse in front of all those information that relate to the spouse, and here you have all the details. You know that this is the spouse email and not just the primary. And of course, the spouse can be the wife or the husband, whichever you want. So here you got all this information, and as you can see on this side, we have all the field, the spouse information, the services, which is the health, tax, or whatever you had for your services, and then your form is ready to go. And once you click close, you have your form. And let's say you want to do some changes to it. You can just go here next to prepare form, or you can just do edit PDF or whatever you want, and then you can make the changes. Sometimes it happens that PDF doesn't capture all the field. And if that happened to you, let's say PDF Acrobat didn't capture the work form as a field. What you can do, you don't have to panic. All you have to do is go on the top and says add a text field. Once you click that, it's gonna give you a text box where you can drag and drop wherever you wanna add it. Let's say I wanna add this here. You add it here. You can format it the way you want, and make sure double click, give it the name that belongs to it, and there you go. So here you have a fillable form where you can capture all the information for your clients or your customers and save them on your computer, which is better than using simple Word because you will not be able to select those information. The client will not be able to select them. But if you have a PDF fillable form, you're able to do that. And as I mentioned, the reason why you will not use a fillable PDF form is because let's say later on you have 50 or 100 clients, and you want to use those information on Excel to do analysis based on how many clients select health insurance, how many clients select taxes, or whatever service you have. You will not be able to export them from Word. But if you have all those intake forms in PDF, you can export them to Excel, which will help you to get all this information and do analysis on them and have all your contact in one spreadsheet. And if you want to know how to do that, how to extract the data from PDF to Excel, you can click on the link below or check our videos on our playlist that shows you how to export data from PDF to Excel. So guys, this is it for today, and I thank you for joining me. Check our YouTube channel for more videos on how to solve our problems with technology and different things that you need to know. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos that's coming up every week. We have a new video coming up on how to use technology to improve our life and make things easy.